Now this video would just be a flex if it didn't have some kind of educational aspect. So from upgrading all of these items, I thought I'd share the data that I've collected on +6s and +7s so we can try and approximate the percentage chance of it failing. So I don't know if the upgrade percentages have changed over the last sort of 3 years. And this is only really useful assuming that they haven't. However, you can see across both of these graphs of +6 and +7 what seems to be a binomially distributed curve. However, the key difference to note is it's a little bit sharper on the +6 one. It's the gradient's much steeper between 0 and 1. This indicates that the +6 chance is less than the +7 chance of failing, the chance of failing. We already sort of assume this. But if you take a look at the table values that I displayed earlier, I can approximate that the chance of failing a +7 is roughly sort of 55 to 60%. Whereas +6 seems to be much closer to 50% chance of failing. So I hope you've enjoyed the video today, and please drop a like and subscribe because that was a lot of gold, and I'll see you in the next one.